Today, we are crafting in the kitchen and we're going to put together a beautiful spring wreath for the front door. And if you like those kind of things, then stay right there because I think you're really going to enjoy this video. I started this project with a great plan. You'll see that I had purchased this nice little frame for it to go for the sign to go on. And I thought, well, I'll turn it over, I'll take the strings off, and we'll start with a great craft. But you know what? The best laid plans of mice and men doesn't always work. So, as you can see, I've had to go to a larger wreath base because the sign was just too large. And I'm trying to figure out where am I going to put it. Now, I put in some turquoise mesh, and I'm using an actual Christmas wreath at the base. And what I did was that I cut my 10-inch black and white check mesh into 30-inch strips. And so I'm pleating those, and I'm going in and attaching them where the little poofs of this mesh meet. And I'm going to do that all the way around the wreath. Now, the nice thing about the 30-inch, using 30 inches, is that you don't have so much cutting to have to do. And as it turned out, with this particular mesh, it just made strings, tons of strings. So I am really glad that I did not have to cut it at a much smaller length. So I'm going to continue doing that, and I'll let you see me kind of pleating the mesh together, and we're going to zip through this wreath very quickly. It really did move along faster than I expected, and I'm actually very glad of that. I am so glad to have you here in the kitchen with me today. I'm going to turn on some nice music. We're going to listen to the music as I finish up this wreath. Now, I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. And in my kitchen, we celebrate with family and friends. And I'm so excited to have you here in the kitchen. Now, the focus of this channel is to build strong families. And we do things in the kitchen and typically for the kitchen. And we do a lot of things around the table, one meal at a time. Now, in this kitchen, there is cooking, there's decorating, there's crafting, there's chatting, there's reviews and plans and purchases, and all of those things can be fun. And it's really a lot of fun when we're doing it together. And so I thank you for coming today and to be a part of the family. And if you aren't officially a part of the family, I hope that you will take the time to tap that subscribe button and maybe even hit that notification bell, because then you'll know every time I upload. Now, I love having you here today. I want you to come back and be a frequent guest here at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. So let's finish up that wreath. We have added the turquoise mesh to this wreath, as well as the little black and white checks. And that looks very cute. But now's the time to add that touch of yellow, because that's what's in the sign. So let's see what we can do. Happy Mother's Day from all of us at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. I hope you have enjoyed today, and I hope you like the wreath. And this particular wreath is going to hang on my daughter's front door, and I just know she's going to love it, and I hope you like it too. So I'll see you soon in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme.